My name is Tokula Oniku Ojo. You can call me Unix. Yeah, this is my second trial to starting a YouTube channel. I had a video before, but my sister was I actually put up that video, yeah, and I used the song to cover it, a very beautiful song. And my sister was like, why did you now cover it? Why did you cover it? But then I'm like, okay, let's try this again. So it's a very sunny day today outside. Yeah. So yeah, I'm sure you can see it. Very sunny. Like, and you can see a clear sky. Like, it's unlike Oldenburg. So I'm like, okay, let me go out. Yeah, I want to go to the beach. It's almost time. I have about 14 minutes left. So let's see how that goes. And yes, I did my makeup. I'm still trying to get a hang of this thing in front. That's why you're seeing this pin here. But I think I tried. Like, this is my first time. So yeah, what else? I don't know what you. I don't know. It's my first time, so please, however you see it, please understand with me. Yeah. So I'll see you. Peace. That's how I would have missed my train. It had said platform 6 for the first one and then 1 for the second one. I was standing at platform. Okay. Update. The bus got cancelled. Train got cancelled. Not cancelled. It ended on the way. So they were having technical issues. Just seeing the people that are supposed to be guiding me packing their bags also. It is weird though. I'm here waiting for the next bus. Why am I keep on saying bus? Because in my city, it's buses we use. So I'm here waiting for the next train. Comes in about 20 minutes. So yeah, this is my beach emo spot. These guys are stressing me. Come on. I'm back. And it's still very much sunny. That's my hostel. And that's my room up there. But it's fine. Okay, guys, I'm back home after a disappointing day. Well, I mean, look, the sun is still shining, but I'm back home, and yes, it was just a stressful day. But I mean, Yeah, so I was thinking, since I have not done like a proper introduction, maybe it's time for me to just do that. Yes, I try to like arrange a few questions that I would ask. Okay, while I'm introducing myself, I'll just stick out my makeup. Yup, the day is over. It's over. I mean, it's just about 4 o'clock, but it's already over for me because after this now, I'll just do a little bit of reading. Yeah, I'm doing a Python program, so I'll just do that on YouTube anyways. I'll just do that and then have dinner and sleep. Yeah, that's all. That's my day. Okay, so to my questions. Introduction. So the first thing I have here is what is your name? What is my name? I mean, I'm the one asking myself these questions. Get to know me kind of questions. So my name. Okay, before that, yes. My name is Uneku Ojo Tokula Josephine. Yep. So I always tell people I prefer to be called Uneku. I'm not Josephine because I think I prefer the Uneku name, Uneku Ojo, to Josephine. Yeah. So that's my name. Yes, and then the second question says, where am I from? Okay, I am from Nigeria. Kogi State in Nigeria. It's in the central part of Nigeria. Yeah, close to the capital. My mom and my dad, they are both from Kogi. My mom is from Ajagun. Well, sorry, my mom is from Egume. Sorry, while my dad is from Ajagun. So yes, so that's where I am from. Then yes, I have. Okay, since I should talk about my siblings, I have we're a family of six. I have my elder brother, my elder sister, then me, then my younger sister, and my younger brother, and another younger brother. Yeah, that's six of us. Yes, I think that's it. Yeah, then where am I presently? Okay. Presently, I am in Germany doing my master's. Yes, I left Nigeria about, I think it's about 8 months ago now. Yes, about 8 months ago. So yeah, I'm in Germany right now. And then what are you doing now? Okay, yes, I've said it already. I'm doing my master's. I'm doing a master's in sustainable renewable energy. Yup. Okay, first of all, let me talk about what I studied. I actually studied mechanical engineering from Federal University of Technology, MENA, and MENA, Niger State in Nigeria. And right now, I'm doing my master's in Calvon Ositsky. It's always very hard for me to pronounce, but Calvon Ositsky Universität Oldenburg. So yeah, that's where I'm doing my master's currently. Okay, before coming here, yes, yeah, before coming here, I used to be a lecturer at the Federal Polytechnic IDA, where I was in the mechanical engineering department. Then, it says, who are you? Okay, I think I've basically described myself. I don't know what else I'm supposed to say, but then who am I? Generally, I would say, who are you? Okay, I'm a girl. Yeah, and okay, let me say character. I think I'm kind. I think I'm generous. I think I'm a little bit of a talkative. When I am comfortable with you, that's when I get to, I was just here talking to myself. The video had stopped recording and I didn't know. Yeah, so I'm done cleaning up my makeup and yeah. So I was saying about what I want to do for the channel. So I don't know, maybe vlogging generally. And since they already know that I like to talk, maybe I'll just look for interesting topics to also talk about, you know, and then everything and anything that comes to my mind to talk about, I might as well just see. But yeah, that is it. So I'm going to maybe watch a movie, then do a little bit of Python and have dinner. And yeah. So if you're still here up until now, simply means you find me interesting. Yeah. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe also. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.